Okay, welcome to the next tutorial of Blender. So today we're going to be making kind of like a chocolate ice lolly, I guess. So what I'm going to do is let's change over the render engine to cycles really quickly. We'll do S for scale and just pull this part in right here. We'll do edit, take the top face, E for extrude, S for scale along the sides right here, and just come into a nice little point with S for scale just there. This is like perfect for a small prop or something like that, and then we can go ahead and do Control R, roll this a few times, and then just like S for scale just to pull that out just a little bit as well, just to give it some curvature. You might want to go ahead and scale it in at the base, pull it up at the top, S for scale around the edge. We can go ahead with right click shade smooth, and then for the lollipop we can go ahead and add, you can go like with the cylinder if you wanted to. R for rotate, rotate it sideways 90 degrees, S for scale up at the top right here, and then we'll go ahead and just scale this in as such. And I'm just going to make this a bit smaller, and then just kind of mosey that on in to that position right there. So basically a little basic lollipop that you can use as a prop. Just kind of makes that kind of like chocolate kind of look. Take down the roughness. Not too shiny. And then this stick, obviously, we can just do like a peach or something as is. So it's just a little bit of a project that you can do. Yeah, go have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.